Janata Dal United ki MLA manga ki Mathakta Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker ki Tribunal da Chatharakhiba anti-defection case ki hearing asi Loikhre ga lonina Chatharakhiba hearing asigi judgment speaker na haidoktana haibadi reserve TOUDUNA THAMJINKHRE ngasi ayuk pung 13 makhaidagi hauduna pungkhai amakhaki break yauraga punna pung mari khara henba fawa Chatharakhiba hearing aduda JDU ki MLA manga gi Council Loinina Petitioner ki Council Sing Loina Sarugyaki hearing adugi matangda JDU ki MLA Oiriba LM Khote amadi N Sanati ki Council Lungmi Raguina Haikibada Constitution ki Tara Suba Sadugi Makada MLA Sing Asibo disqualified Taunaba case Tauraklabasu Makoibungak Toknaba provision yauri anti-defection ni haiduna disqualified Tauba Haiba asi merger apply Tauba Yade JDU ki MLA mangamak asi political party asigi saruk ahum thopagi manungda anina merge tawkibani masida karisu kaiba leite lonina assembly ki speaker na sumamangda haibadi inkumza lisangani kunitoi ki September anida ayaba piba laikhrabani panbayai madudi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki Vice President Hareswar Goswami na Constitution ki Tara Suba Sadul ki Makada JDU ki MLA manga asina BJP da chongsin khibagi damak anti-defection ki Makada case ama speaker da Tharakibani JDU ki MLA manga adudi thangwaiban AC ki MLA KH Joykishan Tipaimuk AC ki N Sanate Jirivam AC ki MD Asafuddin Chorchanpur AC ki LM Khote amadi Wangkai AC ki MLA Thangzam Arun Kumarni
We had a lengthy arguments. I represent on behalf of the respondent number 5 and 2, that is Ngursalung, Sanate, and Kaute. Disqualification case number 5, 2, and in 6 and 7, I am the respondent 2 and 5. So the petitioner filed under the Constitution 10 schedules 2(1)(a), saying that voluntary giving up of the political party might be disqualified. Read section Article 191 clause 2. Says that under Constitution there's 10 schedules. If the so-called political party disqualified under the 10 schedules, so they filed with these two provisions. So under the 10 schedule, there is a protections provided under the first schedule of the 10 schedule of the Indian Constitution, saying that disqualifications of the on the ground of defection does not apply to the merger. So here's a condition given saying that we merge with the 2/3 of the political party, and it's very much accepted, and it's a legitimate and collectively decision taken by the party, and we merge with the political BJP party. And that is accepted in the year of 2022 by the speaker itself. Here, the paragraph 6 of the 10 schedules constitution says that there's a absolute powers to be taken by the decision by the speakers. So there's a in Article 2(1)(2), there's no questionables if it is taken by the speakers. That's what it says.
Is there any judgment given today by the speaker?
The judgment has been kept reserved. So will be. I'm hopefully waiting the positive outcomes of today's hearing. And senior counsel also argued in this matters. We had lengthy arguments, more than 4 or 5 hours.